Do you have a big family? Do you have a big family?
Yes, I have a big family. Yes, I have a big family.
How many brothers do you have? How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers.
How many sisters do you have? How many sisters do you have?
I have 1 sister. I have 1 sister.
Do you live with your parents? Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
What does your father do? What does your father do?
He is a mechanic. He is a mechanic.
What does your mother do? What does your mother do?
She is a nurse. She is a nurse.
Are your parents married? Are your parents married?
Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
Do you have any children? Do you have any children?
No, I don't. No, I don't.
How old is your mother? How old is your mother?
She is 50 years old. She is 50 years old.
How old is your father? How old is your father?
He is 55 years old. He is 55 years old.
Do you see your family every day? Do you see your family every day?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you have grandparents? Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Where do your grandparents live? Where do your grandparents live?
They live in the village. They live in the village.
Do you have aunts and uncles? Do you have aunts and uncles?
Yes, many. Yes, many.
How many cousins do you have? How many cousins do you have?
I have 12 cousins. I have 12 cousins.
Do you have any nephews or nieces? Do you have any nephews or nieces?
Yes, 1 niece and 1 nephew. Yes, 1 niece and 1 nephew.
Are you close to your family? Are you close to your family?
Yes, very close. Yes, very close.
Who is the oldest in your family? Who is the oldest in your family?
My grandfather. My grandfather.
Who is the youngest in your family? Who is the youngest in your family?
My little sister. My little sister.
Do you have family abroad? Do you have family abroad?
Yes, in France. Yes, in France.
What's your father's name? What's your father's name?
His name is Mamadou. His name is Mamadou.
Do your siblings work or study? Do your siblings work or study?
They both study. They both study.
Do you spend holidays with your family? Do you spend holidays with your family?
Yes, always. Yes, always.
Do you eat together as a family? Do you eat together as a family?
Yes, every evening. Yes, every evening.
Do you help your parents at home? Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help a lot. Yes, I help a lot.
Who cooks at home? Who cooks at home?
My mother. My mother.
Do your parents live in the same house? Do your parents live in the same house?
Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
Who is your favorite family member? Who is your favorite family member?
My grandmother. My grandmother.
Is your family important to you? Is your family important to you?
Yes, very important. Yes, very important.